Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Mr. Nova. In this video, I'm going to present to you the basics of building a computer network. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, and if this is your first time visiting this channel, please kindly subscribe, like and click the notification icon to get notified whenever a video is uploaded on YouTube. Okay, so we can kickstart. What is a computer network? A computer network is simply a group of two or more computers or devices connected with the aid of exchanging information and sharing resources. An example of resources that can be shared over a computer network simply are we have files, we have printers, we have folders, we have tapes, we have digital video discs, we have the compact disc, which is abbreviated CD, we have the scanner, and we have the fax machine. Okay, so building a network is not all that scary once you understand the basics. So let's start with switches. Okay, so a switch is a device that connects other devices such as PC, printers, and servers in a local area network to form a network of shared resources. As you can find, all these devices connected, they can share resources such as files, folders. For example, this PC and this PC1 and PC2 will be able to share resources such as file folders and equally a printer and scanners and many more network resources. Okay, and secondly, we need a router. A router comes in to say, hi, I'm going to hook you up to the internet, and if there are many more local area networks, and connect you maybe with other networks so that you can be able to get to expand your scope. This is a local area network. Maybe if you want to form a metropolitan area network, we need many more local area networks, and so it's a router that is needed to connect multiple local area networks. But if you just want just a home network, then this is sufficient. Okay, then you need a router, and from there you need a cable. It can be a Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable that you need to connect from the switch. A cable that connects from the switch to a router. More precisely, you need what we call a straight through cable. A straight through cable is used to connect dissimilar devices, such as a switch to router. They are dissimilar devices. And yeah, as well as we need straight through cable to connect from the PC to the switch, the PC to the switch, and even from the server to the switch, because they are dissimilar devices. But if we had, let's say, similar devices such as a router and a router, we use what we call a crossover cable. Okay, so the next device now, let's take for example, is a local area network has a limited coverage area. Let's say you need to expand your network. Assuming you want to expand your network, you need a device called the access point, the wireless access point. Let's take, for example, you have a local area network, and let's say you need to expand that local area network, the area of coverage of the local area network to be wider so that you can add other devices. You need a device called a wireless access point. And this wireless access point will be connected to the switch. The wireless access point will be connected to the switch, as you find. And now, wirelessly, the computers will be able to detect the signals of this wireless access point and get connected to this same local area network. You know, and thirdly, once you have a network, obviously, and it is being accessed, there's always risk. So as soon as there is risk, you need a device called a firewall. So a firewall is simply a device that helps filters access to a network and prevent intruders or unauthorized access into your network. So, and from a firewall, you need what they call a modem. A modem is simply a device that enables a computer to transmit data over a telephone line. Through a modem, you get connected to the internet. The modem supplies okay, a modem supplies internet connection to the router, and the router gets connected to the internet and distribute the connection to a switch. And now at this level, every device that is connected to a switch gains internet connection and is connected to the network. So through a modem, like an ISP, you have your ISP may have a modem, and it does some configurations in the modem. And once you connect the router to the modem, or the router gets connected to the internet, and every device connected to the router obviously gains internet connection and then can get its internet connection and continue from there. So this is just the basics of building a simple computer network, and equally expand the network with the help of devices called wireless access point. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I need your comment at the comment section, and your subscription, and your uh, your comments are highly appreciated. Thanks, and see you in my next video.